This is the Hewitt Arm Rest with the cup holder. Our armrest and cup holder can be attached to an existing bench. Lay out and inventory all of the parts and pieces. Go ahead and remove the end trim plate. Attach the armrest to the armrest bracket with the 2 included bolts. Insert the carriage bolt into the existing bench plate. Slide the plate and bolt into the bench panel. The bolt will drop through the hole on the bench bracket. The armrest bracket will now be inserted through the square hole. Now reattach the brass nut to the bolt. Reattach the trim to the outside edge of your bench. This completes the installation of the Hewitt Arm Rest with the cup holder.